All right, welcome to the explainer. So, have you ever tried to get your team's attention with, just another boring document or a super long email? Well, Google has a new tool you're definitely going to want to see. Today, we are diving into Google Vids and the seriously powerful AI that's running the whole show, Gemini.
Okay, let's just start with a problem that, let's be honest, we all face. You're trying to get a really important message across at work, right? But you're competing with these overflowing inboxes and just endless back-to-back meetings. And with the average attention span on any screen now dipping under a minute, how do you actually make your ideas stick?
So how do you break through all that noise? Well, Google's answer is a brand new tool called Vids. And the goal here is super simple. Make creating a compelling video feel as easy and as familiar as just putting together a slide presentation.
Vids is really designed to be your go-to video assistant for work. So think about creating things like training content, project updates, or even those big company-wide announcements. The whole idea is to let anyone do this without needing special skills or a bunch of expensive software. In fact, one of the early testers said it's as easy as putting slides together.
So how does Vids pull this off? How does it make it so simple? Well, the magic ingredient here is Google's super powerful AI model, Gemini. And it's not just bolted on, it is woven directly into the entire creation process.
So instead of staring at that intimidating, blank timeline, you just start with a conversation. You literally just tell Gemini what you want to make, kind of like you're talking to a chatbot. And this just completely changes the game, right from the very beginning.
And this right here is where Gemini does all the heavy lifting for you. It takes your prompt, it can pull from your own documents in Google Drive, and then it pieces together a complete storyboard. I mean, it'll suggest scenes, find relevant stock media, write a script for you, and even pick out some background music to set the perfect tone. And just like that, in moments, you have a fully formed first draft that you can start working with.
But look, getting that initial draft is really just the start. Gemini doesn't just, drop it in your lap and walk away. It also offers a whole suite of AI tools to help you take that draft and really refine and polish your video. Okay, let's dive into these, because some of these are absolute game changers. I mean, imagine never having to record that perfect take over and over again, all thanks to AI voiceovers. Or what about instantly cleaning up your own audio recordings, getting rid of all the ums and uhs? And that last one, that is incredibly powerful. The ability to just breathe new life into all your old slide decks by turning them into videos.
This is just a huge time saver, especially for anyone who has a whole library of existing presentations. But the cool part is, Gemini doesn't just import the slides as, static images. It actively enhances them to create a real video story.
So the crucial point here is that it's not just a simple copy and paste job. Gemini actually analyzes each slide, it writes a script for it, narrates it with an AI voice, adds music, and then structures the whole thing into scenes. It totally transforms a static deck into this dynamic, narrated video that's pretty much ready to share.
Now, this all sounds great, right? But the big question is always, okay, when and how can I actually use it? Well, the answer has been changing a bit, and access has actually opened up quite a lot.
So while Vids started out as a premium tool for businesses on those paid workspace plans, Google has since expanded access. First, they opened up a basic version to, anyone with a Google account. And more recently, they've actually made some of the most powerful Gemini features available to free users too.
Okay, let's break this down. The big news here is that if you have a free Gmail account, you now get access to some of the really good stuff. I'm talking about the AI-generated voiceovers and the transcript trimming. Now, the most advanced, really cutting-edge features, like generating entirely new video clips from a text prompt using Google's Veo model, those are still reserved for paying workspace customers for now.
And as you start creating, there's one key thing to keep in mind. Vids is built for short, powerful storytelling, so every video you make is capped at a maximum of 10 minutes, which, hey, is perfect for holding those short attention spans we were talking about right at the beginning.
So, what's really clear is that creating compelling video isn't just for specialists with complicated software anymore. By baking AI assistants like Gemini right into our everyday tools, video is quickly becoming a fundamental skill for, everyone. Which leaves us with one really big question. Is this the new normal for how we all share our ideas? By making video creation this straightforward, we're really on the edge of a fundamental shift in how we share knowledge, not just at work, but in our schools and in our creative projects too. If you want to try it out for yourself, you can just head over to vids.new. Thanks for joining this explainer.